If you're looking for a powerful yet beginner-friendly drone that delivers professional-level results, the Ruko U11MINI 4K is designed to impress from the very first flight. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. This ultralight drone weighs under 249 grams, which means easy portability and fewer restrictions, while still packing advanced features normally found in much larger and more expensive drones. It records stunning 4K video and captures ultra-clear 8K photos, giving you sharp details, vibrant colors, and smooth footage whether you're filming landscapes, travel moments, or creative aerial shots. What truly sets the Ruko U11MINI apart is its 3-axis mechanical gimbal combined with EIS, which keeps your footage steady and professional even in windy conditions. The long-range FPV transmission reaches up to 20,000 feet, allowing you to explore wider areas with a stable, real-time video feed. With GPS positioning, the drone maintains accurate hovering, smooth flight paths, and reliable navigation, making it ideal for beginners as well as confident pilots who want precise control and safety. Flying is simple and stress-free thanks to smart AI features like one-key takeoff and landing, automatic return to home, and a built-in beeper that helps you quickly locate the drone if it lands out of sight. The extended battery system offers up to 96 minutes of total flight time, so you can enjoy longer sessions without constantly worrying about recharging. This makes it perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, and learning aerial photography at your own pace. Overall, the Ruko U11MINI 4K combines lightweight design, advanced stabilization, long-range transmission, and intelligent safety features into one compact drone that's easy to fly and rewarding to use. Whether you're a beginner starting your drone journey or someone who wants high-quality aerial content without complexity, this drone delivers excellent value and performance. You'll find the link below.